Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to turn your old boring Nerf gun into an awesome airsoft gun.
Ooh.
First step, take an empty pen tube. Second, find an empty dart. Take the top off. Number 3, take the tube, put it in the dart hole. Done. Take your Nerf gun. Take your Nerf gun. Next one, have this in your hand. Next one, put it in the gun. Next one, cock the gun. Next one, take the BB. Next one,
Shoot a sissy Lala.
put it in your gun. Second part, shoot your partner no, just joking, it's not that. Next part, take some tape, raw tape or anything, tape it around the gun and the tube. Now these. Perfect. Now it's ready to shoot.
Uh-oh. Oh, guys! Oh!
Okay. Now we're going to aim it at outside. So come on, aim it, stand up. Shoot it. That's it, guys. So, see you guys. Oh, wait, and before I go, whatever, if you have like an airsoft silencer, this could go perfectly right on the gun. Perfectly. And also silence it a little. Here's it without the silencer. What's the silencer? So see you guys next time. Boop.